Hello students, in my previous video we have discussed about the tangent, normal, slope of the tangents, slope of the normals. Okay, now today in this video we will discuss about the equation of tangent and equation of normal and angle between the curves. So let y equal to fx be a given curve, then equation of tangent at any point x1 y1 of the curve is given by y minus y1 equal to dy over dx at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1. This is just like as the equation of line in the slope point form y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. Here dy over dx at the point x1 y1 represent the slope of the tangent at the point x1 y1. This is the curve y equal to fx, the point. This is the point P whose coordinates are x1 y1. Here PT is the tangent at point P of the curve y equal to fx. If equation of curve given in parametric form then in parametric form as x equal to function of t, also y equal to function of t, then equation of tangent given by y minus f 2t equal to dy over dt upon dx over dt into x minus f1t. So if the equation of curve is given in the parametric form, the equation of tangent is given by y minus f2t equal to dy over dt upon dx over dt, x minus f1t. In previous video, we also discussed about when the tangent is parallel to x-axis, then dy over dx is equal to 0. If the tangent parallel to y-axis, then dy over dx equal to infinity. And if the tangent of the curve is parallel to the any given line, then dy over dx will be equal to the slope of the given line. Now normal is the line which is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. There are many lines are there which are perpendicular to the tangent, but only the line which is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact is known as the normal. So here Pn is the normal. So now equation of normal at x comma y1 is given by y minus y1 equal to minus 1 over d1 over dx at the point of x1 y1 x minus x1. This is the equation of normal at at point x1, y1. Here minus 1 upon dy over dx at the point x1, y1 represent the slope of the normal at the point x1, y1. And similar practice we can do with the equation of curve given in the form of parametric equation, the parametric form. Now I am taking some important questions based on tangent and normal. Find tangent equation of tangent and normal of the curve x equal to a cos cube t and y equal to b sin cube t at t equal to pi upon 4. In this question, we want to find the equation of tangent and normal of the curve x equal to a cube t, y equal to b sin cube t at t equal to pi by 4. So now, how can we solve this question? X equal to a cos cube t, that means dx over dt equal to a into differential of cos cube t become 3 cos square t into minus sin t. So finally dx over dt is given by minus 3a cos square t sin t. This is dx upon dt. Now dy over dt is given by b into 3 sin square t cos t. So dy upon dt can be arranged as 3b sin square t cos t. This is dy upon dt. Now dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dt upon dx upon dt. That means 3b sin square t cos t upon minus 3a cos square t sin t. 3 and 3 cancel out, sin t cancel out, cos t cancel out. This becomes minus b upon a tan t. B upon a tan t. This is the value of dy over dx. Now equation of tangent y minus y1 equal to dy over dx x minus x1. That means y minus y1 means the value of y b sin cube t equal to minus b upon a tan t. X minus the value of x1 means x a cos cube t. A cos cube t. Okay. So take convert into the sin and cos form. So we have y minus b sin cube t equal to minus b sin t upon a cos t. Here we convert tan t in sin upon cos, x minus a cos cube t. Take cross multiply. So this become y a cos t minus ab sin cube t cos t equal to minus bx sin t plus ab sin t cos t. In next step, this become bx bx sin t plus ay cos t equal to ab sin t cos cube t plus ab sin t cos cube t sin cube t cos t plus ab sin t cos cube t. So next term bx sin t plus ay cos t equal to, take ab sin t cos t common, so we have sin square t plus cos square t there. So finally the equation of tangent is bx sin t plus ay cos t equal to ab sin t cos t cos t. Put t equal to pi by 4 because we want to find the equation of normal tangent and normal at the point t equal to pi by 4. So here equation of tangent bx sin pi by 4 plus ay cos pi by 4 equal to ab sin pi by 4 cos pi by 4. bx 1 upon under root 2 plus ay 1 upon under root 2 equal to ab 1 upon under root 2 1 upon under root 2. Now root 2 and root 2 cancel out from both the sides. We have finally bx plus ay equal to ab upon root 2. This is the equation of tangent at the point t equal to pi by 4. Now we will discuss about the normal. Equation of normal y minus y1 equal to minus 1 upon dy over dx x minus x1. That means y minus b sin cube t equal to minus 1 upon minus b upon a tan t x minus a cos cube t. After conversion this become y minus b sin, put the value of t pi by 4 here, pi by 4 equal to a upon b cot pi by 4. After conversion a comes in numerator and similarly inside the bracket x minus a cos cube pi by 4. So now this become y minus b sin pi by 4 means 1 upon root 2. So 1 upon root 2 multiplied 3 times. So we have 1 upon 2 root 2 equal to a upon b cot pi by 4 become 1 and this is x minus a into 1 upon 2. Take LCM here. So 2 root 2y minus b equal to a upon b inside the bracket 2 root 2 x minus a upon 2 root 2. Here also 2 upon root 2. So 2 root 2 is cancel out. Take cross multiply. So we have 2 root 2 by minus b square equal to 2a root 2x minus a square. And the final step after arranging we have 2 root 2a x minus 2 root 2b y equal to a square minus b square. So this is the equation of normal at the point t equal to pi by 4 for the curve x equal to a cos cube t and y equal to b sin cube t. Now I am taking one more problem based on tangent and normal. Find the equation of the normal at the point am square comma am cube for the curve ay square equal to x cube. So equation of curve is given, point is given, and we want to find the equation of normal. So first our object is slope of tangent, because the equation of curve ay square equal to x cube, differentiate with respect to x. So 2ay dy over dx equal to 3x square. That means dy upon dx, this called slope of tangent, is 3x square upon 2ay. Now slope of tangent at the point am square am cube. So this becomes 3 into am square upon 2a into am cube. So here a cancel out from numerator and denominator, 3 power of them is cancelled out. So now we have only 3m upon 2. So dy over dx is equal to 3m upon 2. This is slope of tangent. Now equation of normal. Equation of normal is given by y minus y1 equal to minus 1 upon dy over dx at point x minus x1. Put the values. So now we have y minus y1 means am cube equal to minus 1 upon, the value of dy over dx is 3m upon 2 into x minus am square. This can be written as y minus am cube equal to minus 2 upon 3m. Take conversion of numerator and denominator. After cross multiplication we have 3my minus am cube into 3m equal to minus 2x plus 2am square. So arrange the term in the straight line form. This becomes 2x plus 3my equal to 2am square plus 3am to the power 4. This is the equation of normal at the point am square comma am